Hi guys. So I have a really bad news today. I mean, it's not bad for you, it's bad for me. I have this laptop and you know the trackpad, right? So there's like a small bump on it. I just want to open it and see if I can fix it. I'm not good at this at all. I shouldn't be doing this, but let me show you. Okay. Um, Wait. Do you guys see the lighting? When I cover, it darkens and it creates a nice shadow on this side. I think, I think, I want to try that. Coming back to the topic, let me show you the bump. Uh, I don't think y'all can see because tracking my face. So do you see this? Right, right here. See that bump here? I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's right here. It's bugging me so much, and I want to fix this. Um, let's see how it goes. Let me see if this will do. I think it's this one. Um, let's open it. It's so sad to be doing this because I love this so much and I don't want to break it. Please don't break. I'm ready for this moment. Let's go. What do you guys think? You think I ruined the battery there? Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to remove more than this because it is scary and I don't want to break anything. It's a battery issue that's making the trackpad to like come out. I think it's this battery here, but I don't know what to do about it. There's so much dust. Let's see. So we all saw how my heroic act to fix the laptop went down the drain. It's confirmed it's a battery issue and the battery is swelling and I'm not sure if it's safe to use anymore, but I hope Razer wouldn't mind sending me an extra battery or a new laptop, which would help to do my work and continue doing these kind of videos for you all. Razer, if you're watching this, yeah, I wouldn't mind. I mean, there won't be any benefits for you all, but it sounds like a good deal to me.